Hi, first graders. We are heading into our fourth week at home. I hope you're all doing well. I know it's tough. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your classroom teachers or even myself. If you guys need anything, please let us know so that we can help you. We're here for you. So today we are going to do another math lesson on collecting data and surveys. The other day I posted on Class Dojo a question, and I'm going to take that question and we're going to turn it into data. So the question was if you would rather be an eagle or a whale. So what do we know about eagles? We know that eagles fly in the sky. They're kind of the king of the birds. And whales, we know that they're really large animals. They swim in the ocean. They do lots of flips. Okay, so based on what you might have known about eagles or whales, you guys made your choices. So in Mr. Aconi's class, Christopher said that he would be an eagle. So what I'm going to do is put a blue Post-it note for friends who said they wanted to be an eagle, and put a yellow Post-it note for someone who said they would be a whale. Also in Mr. Aconi's class, Brielle said that she would want to be an eagle. Mr. Aconi said that he would rather be a whale. In Miss Hanley's class, Adriana said that she would rather be an eagle. Adrian said that he would be an eagle. Emmanuel preferred to be a whale. And Miss Hanley even responded, and she said that she would be an eagle. Let's see how I can fit these in. Who else do we have? Miss Taylor's class. In Miss Taylor's class, Asiel said that he would rather be an eagle. Miss Taylor said she would rather be an eagle. Okay. And Mr. P even said that he would be an eagle. Now, I also asked my son, Nico. Nico is 3.5 years old, and he said that he would like to be a whale. And I believe that because when he takes a bath, he splashes a lot of water out of the tub trying to do flips in there. And I also would rather be a whale. Okay? So after I collect my data, my question to you is, how many people chose to be an eagle and how many people chose to be a whale? Okay, so you should have counted. So let's count the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 people chose to be an eagle, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chose to be a whale. So what I'm going to do is, because I need some space because this board is very small, I'm going to remove my Post-it notes. Since I counted and I know how many people chose. Okay, and I'm going to write the number 8 over here and the number 4 over here, and I'm going to erase these ones that I wrote. Okay, and I want to think of another way that I can represent my data. So I used Post-it notes the first time. But another way that I can represent my data is with letters. So I know that eagle starts with the letter E, so I can make 8 E's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And whale starts with W, that's a W. So I'll make 4 W's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I can represent my data using letters. I can also represent my data with X's. So I can make 8 X's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4 for whale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and one more way that you can represent data is if, and I don't have enough, but if you have cubes at home, you can use the cubes. So you can use 8 in one color, so you can use 8 red cubes for eagle, and you can use 4 cubes of another color for the whale. So what I want to do is I want to look at my data. So I already counted these. I know there's 8, and I know there's 4 here. So if I ask you which one was more, did people prefer to be an eagle or did people prefer to be a whale? So we know that 8 is a bigger number. So that tells me that more people chose eagle over whale. So I'm going to write that down here. So more people chose eagle over whale. I want to know how many people took the survey. So there's 2 things that I can do. I can draw my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And count up my X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know that 12 people took the survey. Or I can write a number sentence. Can you think of a number sentence that I can write that tells me how many people took the survey? That's right. I can use 8 plus 4, and that's going to give me my total. So the 8 eagle plus the 4 whale gives me the 12 people who took the survey. Okay? Another thing that I can do with my data is find out how many more people chose eagle over whale. So I know more people chose eagle over whale, but I want to know how many more people preferred it. So I can write another number sentence. The number sentence that I can write is 8. So my 8 eagle, that's my bigger number, minus the 4 whale is going to give me the number of people that preferred eagle over whale. And I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to cross off 4 because I'm minusing. So anytime I minus, I cross off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 more people preferred an eagle over the whale. I'm going to post another survey question on Class Dojo. You guys can work on that at home, and you can even think of your own survey question that you might want to ask your family and friends, maybe through the phone. If you guys have any questions about what we just did, just comment on either YouTube or you can comment on Class Dojo. Good luck, and we miss you.